In the world of sales, why is it that you need your own lead source, and how can it help you? I'm Scott Bell. I'm coming to you live from Kailua, Oahu on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you on this cloudy, windy day. So we're talking about, like, you as a salesperson, you should invest the time, the energy, and the effort to get your own leads. And, you know, for you to rely upon somebody else is pretty old school, and it creates a problem. So you go to the Facebook, you go to the Twitter, you go to the Instagram, wherever it's going to be, and you go to or even the Google and type in free courses. I mean, all these companies want revenue dollars. All these companies want somebody to come and pay. So you're missing out. I mean, they give you the free information. It takes a little bit. There's a learning curve. I'm not going to lie. There is a learning curve, but once you get it down, oh my goodness, like anywhere you go, you can sell. And here is the magic. Here's the magic today. It brings you confidence. And anytime that you can walk into a room with confidence, I promise you, people feel it. Teaching body language, one of the most common things that people ask me is, hey Scott, how can I tell if I have confidence, or how can I tell if somebody's confident or arrogant? When you have the ability to walk in and say, I've got my own lead source, you have your own lifeguard. You've got your own ability to go, I've got all the leads that I need, I got everything taken care of, I am bulletproof. And you know, I don't have to worry about this guy, I don't have to worry about office politics, I don't have to worry about complaining, I don't have to worry about that person banging that person. Nope, don't have to worry about that. You know what I got to worry about? Closing leads. That's it. I got one deal for me to do today. I got to make sure that I got the leads coming in, and I got to go close them. That's it. That's it. That's all I got. And so there is an air of confidence that you get when you don't have to worry about things. There is a huge ability to walk into a call and go, yeah, I could close this deal. You know, I could do this. There's a huge ability to walk in and look around the office and see everybody else sad and upset and not being able to go out and harvest their own leads, right? And I promise you this, at some point they're going to come to you and say, hey, how are you doing this magic thing called leads? And you know, you got options at that point. You could tell them or you could sell them. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. Tell them or sell them. Okay. So you, as a salesperson, you need your own lifeguard tower. You need that right there. You need your ability to say, like, I have my ability to generate leads, because you get extra confidence from it. There you go. Straightforward, to the point. You have to get your own leads. Coming to you live from this cloudy, windy day, Kailua, Oahu. You got one thing to do from here. Just one thing. Find the subscribe button. Click on it every time I send out a video. You'll get an update. This is Scott Bell Consultants and another fantastic video, probably from a cool location. Today, a little bit windy. We'll see you soon. Thanks for dropping by. Aloha.